Alright, here we go. Welcome back to my channel mga kanoypi. Here's your boy, Forex Noypi. And welcome back to our trading journey episode number 4. So, sa mga bago at first time that's watching these videos, please note that our intention here is to show people that trading is really profitable, right? So we started at $1,000 account. Search back to episode 1 mga kanoypi on this channel and you'll see how it went first. Nagsimula tayo sa $1,000 and this is episode 4. Our goal here is to get the $1,000 up to 2,000 and then we'll measure how long it will take. And also I'm fully documenting, putting it on video, lahat ng mga nangyayari if I hit stop loss and also explain the trading techniques that I'm using. Okay? Bago ang lahat, mga kanoypi, kung kayo ay nag-e-enjoy, please i-hit nyo na ang subscribe button and hit nyo na rin yung notification bell at pinaka-importante sa lahat, i-share nyo kung nag-e-enjoy kayo. Also, mga kanoypi, we have a Facebook group which is Forex for Beginners PHI. Pinakamagandang gawin nyo is pumasok kayo dito sa group na to. Tapos, let's get interactive. Right? Magtanong kayo kung meron kayong question about Forex. Share nyo na rin kung meron kayong mga success stories sa mga trading journeys nyo. And that will help other kababayans, especially here in the Philippines, na ma-inspire. And alam nyo, mahirap talaga ngayong pandemic eh. So, pinakamaganda niyan is we inspire people to still be able to earn additional income. Kahit pa unti-unti lang, kahit maliit man yan or malaki, as long as we help each of our kababayans. Okay? So, let's get to it. So, eto yung nangyari nung kahapon. Hindi na ako masyadong nakapag-trade actually kahapon eh. I was a bit tired. Minsan sa buhay ng isang day trader mga kanoypi, lalo na kung maya ka nakatingin sa chart, may mga oras talagang darating na minsan nakakaumay, right? Pero that also helps control our emotions, especially if we're preventing the overtrading, right? Pero ako, hindi naman ako talaga, nung nagsisimula ako, sobrang gigil na gigil ako mag-trade kasi Forex ang dali kasi ng pera niyan eh, but it's also risky if you don't have the proper risk management system. Okay? So kahapon, August 12, so here, mga kanoypi, I executed 3 trades from yesterday. Kung mapapansin nyo, I have a position size here. Nag-scalp ulit ako yesterday. And I hit $21.92. Tapos yung isang position size ko na 0.07 lang with GPB JPY. I almost hit the TP but I decided to already take profit at $24.43. I'll explain later why I did that. And then I also have my GPB NCD who hit my stop loss at $12.34. So mga kanoypi, I have 2 wins at 24.43 and 21.92 and 1 loss of $12.34. Again, perfect example of what I wanted to tell you guys is that you lose small but you win big. Right, so our trading size now or capital now is 1,047.24 compared to yesterday na 1,013 lang to, right? So we are up 4.7% on our total equity and we are on our 4th day of trading, right? So sabi nila, if you wanna control your trading psychology, you know what to do when you're on a losing streak and you also know what to do when you're in a winning streak. What is that? Wala. Wala kang kailangan gawin. You just have to keep it calm, steady pulso ka lang, wala kang dapat gawin. Okay? Just follow the rules. So I'll explain to you guys the trading setups that I did. Itong kinatalo ko, GPB NCD. So I took the trade here. Wait, I'm on the 4-hour chart. So I was looking at capitalizing a trend line, I believe that was this. And meron tayong resistance that's right there. So kinuha ko yung trade. Ito ba ako sa H1? Ay, hindi. Dito ako sa H1. Sorry about that. Uh, Tama. Nasa 1 hour chart ako pala, mga kanoypi. Sorry na. Ayan. So, I was looking at capitalizing this trade setup. Nag-drawing ako ng trend line dito. Tapos, etong previous support or resistance, tinake ko yan. So, I pulled the trigger here. Right? Kasi pataas uptrend tayo dito sa 200 EMA natin, uptrend tayo. So, given this previous resistance, I was expecting the market to shoot back up, right? Kasi uptrend naman siya. Pero ang nangyari, it hit my stop loss. My stop loss was set here. Itong linya na to, kung nasan yung market ngayon, it's set in there. Pero tinamaan pa rin niya. So, ganun talaga. Things losing is part of trading, right? So, I took the hit of $12.34. Tapos sa GPB JPY naman, that was also a buy and that went towards in my favor. My stop loss or my take profit, I believe, puntahan natin. Take profit is at 138811. Ito yung sinetup ko. Ay, SL pala. Stop loss pala yun. Sorry. One more. Ang sinet kong take profit ay at 139.677. Ayan. So, hindi dito ako nag-claim. I claimed there. But my take profit is a little bit above that. Okay, hindi na makita dito sa records eh. I closed it manually and I made the right decision kasi it pulled back down. Kinlose ko lang siya kasi nag-over naman siya dito sa previous sa resistance zone. It went past it, right? However, when I look at some indicators at this part, nakita ko that it's almost this part right here is lower. Kailangan ko siyang ipakita sa inyo. Ayan. So, eto mga kanoypi, pag-aaralan din natin to. Mamarkahan ko lang siya. So, etong bar na to, dito ako take profit, right? Pero dito sa RSI indicator ko, kung lalagyan ko ng crossed line dito, etong RSI ko, kung saan mayroong peak na pataas na yan, that apparently has a lower level. Mas mababa yung level niya dito. Right? Explain ko yan. Ang tawag dyan, mga kanoypi, is divergence. Etong bar na to, this swing high over here, is lower than this swing high over here. Diba? Sa charts, mas mataas yung inabot tong price nitong bar na to. Pero, sa RSI indicator, mas mababa to kesa dito. So, ang ibig sabihin nito is, it's a possible switch in the, it's a possible retracement. Okay? So, bago pa matapos yung hour, I already pulled out and I took the profit for $24.43. Kung hindi ko yung tinake hanggang ngayon, ongoing pa rin siya. Nandun pa rin ako sa trade. Possibly be hitting my stop loss. Possibly ba? No, it's not. Okay, so yun. And then my last trade, this one's pretty hefty. I scalped for I was on the 15-minute chart. Sobrang baba lang ng kinuha kong pips dito, mga kanoypi. 2 pips lang. Right, 2 pips. I entered here and then ito yung risky to, mga kanoypi. I was just very complacent and confident that my trade will hit it kasi nandito tayo sa mga support zone. Right? So alam ko, tatama siya. Kaya konti lang yung pips na kinuha ko, tinaasan ko yung risk. Pero mga kanoypi, pagka nagsisimula kayo mag-trade, I will, and hindi pa ganun ka intact or yung trading psychology nyo, hindi pa ganun ka well practiced, hindi ko talaga to marirecommend mga kanoypi. You have to trade at your own risk. Okay? 2 pips lang yung kinuha ko dito and I was okay with $21. Mga 2 pips lang yung kinuha ko dyan. And I was very, very okay with $21. Okay? Scalping lang yan. It's a simple strategy that I took, but it has a very high risk. Pansinin nyo, mga kanoypi, dito pa ako nag-take profit ng 2 pips. Dito pa. Pero, dito, bumaba na yung price, bumagsak na yung price up to 10 pips. If my position size is 1, that 10 pips is already $100. right? And it's very risky. It could have gone so down, but I would have lost it, right? And siguro kung iba yon, baka may medyo nabaliw na yon kung bagong trader lang, right? So I will not recommend the scalping opportunity. Okay? Doon muna tayo mga kanoypi sa day trading, small lot sizes. Ako kasi I have already learned to control my emotions and my trading psychology has been practiced over the years of trading. Okay? Alright mga kanoypi, so yan lang muna tayo. I executed 3 trades. We are up 4.7% on our initial capital. Again, we are road to $2,000. We're looking to double it. Once again, mga Kanoypi, we have our Forex group, Forex for Beginners, PHI. I'm about to also create a page para sa ating lahat and so that I can extend our helping hand into teaching our kababayans how to trade Forex. Okay? Once again, mga Kanoypi, if you like this video, please subscribe, hit the notification bell para updated kayo whenever I release my new videos. And then, share the love mga Kanoypi. Pakita natin sa iba mga kababayan natin na posible talagang kumita sa Forex. Okay? If you have any questions, just comment down below. And I will see you guys all on my next videos. Bye for now.